Okay, welcome to a new video. On this video we are going to do a Central Park walk from west to east on a short walk, and I'm gonna start here on 72nd Street and Central Park West at that Dakota building. No, thank you. And Dakota building is famous because here lived the famous singer John Lennon, who was killed many years ago. It's a beautiful building. There were many famous people that used to live there too. This was the first luxury apartments built here in New York City, and also the actor of Frankenstein, he lived here. We're gonna cross over here. There's a memorial here. Oh, mosquito. Strawberry fields. This is a strawberry fields, and there is a memorial, and a lot of people stop here to take pictures. And there are also people playing music. I don't know how you were diverted. You were.
No, it's probably nothing.
So it says the restoration of this part of Central Park as the Garden of Peace endorsed by above nations was made possible through the generosity of Yoko Ono Lennon. There's a crossway here. I'm gonna cross this. Okay.
Thank you for taking care of this park. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Much better, yeah. Absolutely. Let's go take a
Beautiful.
between towers for the Ghostbusters.
Cherry Hill Fountain. Cherry Hill Fountain. It's a Victorian era stone water fountain.
자산 테러.
This is a beautiful view. Look at the buildings and the lake, the river. There's people canoeing. And you have some little seats where you can sit and just look at the beautiful landscape. Oh, and there's a beautiful bridge that I think that's the Bow Bridge. People stop here and take pictures. It's a nice view in Central Park on a summer day. Beautiful sky. Wow. Sorry. Look at this view. So I'm not gonna cross the Bow Bridge. I'm just gonna return and go back and keep going to my right because I wanna do from walk the park from west to east all the way to 5th Avenue. So I came from here, Strawberry Fields, and the Bow Bridge is over there on the left, so I'm gonna go to my right over there.
Yes.
Okay, but nice play on words for hop on the plane on that.
If you continue here, there's gonna be another fountain, and this is really famous. I'll show you. It's a really neat spot.
Bésame, bésame mucho. We've been together.
Beautiful music.
In love forever. It turned out so. Come on, dancers, love was
bathrooms here, public bathrooms, restrooms, if you guys need it here. And over there is the water fountain. Okay. De fruta. Qué rico. We are going to continue going east. Bethesda Terrace.
Prends le vélo, s'il te plaît. Pousse-le.
Here to the left, there's like a marine where you can rent boats. We're gonna see how much it is. Rental boats. Right there. And there's a restaurant here, boat house, pick up, drop off, entrance. So I'm gonna continue to the right because you also have to go straight. That's the boat house, but I'm gonna follow where the buildings are, which is this way. Oh, the and the statue of Alice in the Wonderland is over there. Margarita Memorial. They have a QR code that you can scan it, and it's a audio guide.
Stand together.
Trying to figure out the characters.
Scalpel. Forceps.
Being the chair.
Peanut butter.
Oh wait, peanut butter.
The liverwort.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the park through behind the Alice in the Wonderland statue, which is over there. So I'm gonna go all the way over here. So this is 76th Street. If you want to keep going up, you're going to go to your left. If you want to go down like Midtown or Mid Manhattan or Lower Manhattan, it's to your right.